Hello everybody, welcome back to iTunes Family. In this video, I thought I'd do a tour of my mom's Surface Pro something. I don't remember what model this is, but either way, this is my mom's one that she got because she wanted something to run her software on, the software that she needs. So yeah, that's why she got this, and she bought a blue keyboard for it. She got this used off eBay for like $300 or $400. I'm not sure what model this is. And she has the pen with it, which you can take out like this. Oh wow, that's cool. It's powered by a battery like that. That's nifty. Again, goes to show you how low quality this Surface is. And I mean, if I try and navigate around with the touchscreen, which again, I can't open too much stuff up because I'm not sure what it's going to. I can open calculator up, so I won't show you my mom's personal information. And right here, you can tell like this just doesn't feel that fluid on the touchscreen. It feels decent, but it just doesn't feel that fluid. And also, this is as Steve Jobs said about the touchscreen. The idea of a touchscreen Mac, this is ergonomically so terrible that it wouldn't even work, and after a while your arm would just want to fall off. The stylus makes it a little better, but overall you're still going to want to be interacting with a trackpad and the keyboard the most effectively, making this not much more beneficial than a regular computer. And so yeah, that's why I don't overall hate Surface tablets. And so yeah. Now, in case you're wondering why I didn't do my iOS 6 jailbreak tutorial today, I apologize for that, or iOS 7 jailbreak tutorial, and that's because I didn't have enough time to do that today due to scheduling conflicts, so due to my very weird schedule today, so yeah, and I'm sorry that my voice sounds weird. I'm still recovering from a cold, and as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and peace out.